What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this new video on Ethereum, which I didn't cover yesterday. I covered it the day before, but yeah, I mean it didn't move that much yesterday and I didn't think it would be that interesting. But today, I mean, I still think Ethereum is one of the best projects in the whole crypto market, maybe even the best project soon. I could definitely see it happening that Ethereum is going to get above Bitcoin. With Ethereum 2.0 coming up and stuff. Even though that's going to be very hard, which I definitely do realize. But yeah, I mean, Ethereum over the last 24 hours, it dropped down a little bit, obviously after those interest rates. When was it? Wednesday, I think. We went up a little bit, had some sort of a bullish momentum right here, and then afterwards we started dropping again, which we did expect. And that's also what we saw in May. And then last time I did an analysis, I expected this to happen, which arguably we're in the middle of, but we have already had that support touch, as you can see, up to that level here at 1150. So for now, according to my analysis, the next thing is that we're going to drop down to this level around 1000. Maybe 1020 will hold up. That's the level that held up. Maybe 1000 will be the level that needs to hold up, but I wanted to analyze whether this is still the most likely scenario, and for that I think we should get to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame you can actually pretty clearly see that you still have these EMAs pushing us down, and apart from that you also still have lower highs all the way down here. But right now we're also getting a little bit more of a bullish momentum. Arguably we got 3 or 2 higher lows, which I will definitely draw right there. So this is the arguable one, and then right here. So somewhere within the next few days we're actually going to get a chance with Ethereum to break out of this not bear market but this downtrend. And to actually consolidate maybe for a longer period of time, but because right now the fear of dropping down further down to 1000 and maybe after that even 900 is still there, and I think it would be very beneficial for us if we could actually find some way to break out of that. So for now, as you can see, it does look like this level here around 1060 is holding up pretty well. So we actually have the possibility that if we drop down to this level again and we manage to close above this level here around 1160, which would probably mean we're moving all the way up to 1210. If we can do something like that, I think we could move all the way up to 1250. I don't think we'll break that, but we could actually consolidate for a longer period of time between 1050 and 1060 and 1250, which I think would be pretty bullish in these market circumstances. I know that sounds weird to say, but I do think you understand what I'm saying. So we got that possibility. Do I think this is the most likely scenario? I just don't know as of right now. This is really more of a analysis than a prediction, and I think it is more likely that we'll actually drop down to 1000. Drop down to 1000, and there, let's drag this away a little bit. If we drop down to that level, I think we got that same opportunity. Obviously we wouldn't need to break 1150 then. I think it would be sufficient if we break above 1125 and 1130, so something like this. But then again, and I also don't think we could reach 1250 then. I think we would find resistance at 1200, but then again we could find that consolidation. But somewhere down the line we need to get that spike, getting us above the next best resistance level to actually show that a certain support has enough power to hold us. Because if that doesn't happen, and we don't get above these EMAs, and we don't get above the next best resistance level, the strongest resistance level above us, we're just going to drop and drop and drop, where the next support level after 1000, I think 1000 is a strong support level, but the next one is between 920 and 890 dollars. Then afterwards you have to start to think about 750. So it's quite crucial also that we get some sort of a bullish move soon, which within these bearish market circumstances might be more difficult than you'd expect. So yeah, that's basically my analysis for now on Ethereum, and we're going to not delete this, but yeah, we're just going to hold it like this. But that was my analysis. So if you do have any questions about anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.